everyone, so today we'll be doing a review on some of the Hasbro Disney dolls. We have right here Pocahontas and Merida. So yeah, this is what their box looks like. You see her right here, and here's her dress, and then there's her on the package, and it says Merida. Now on the back, it says right here, Disney Princess Royal Shimmer. Athletic and fearless, Merida works to change her fate. And then it says it in like 3 other languages. And it says includes doll, outfit, belt, and pair of shoes. That means that's all that comes in here. I really like her artwork. My favorite part about her is I want her big horse. It's awesome. The big giant draft horse. The other princesses, I know they have like smaller horses, but him or her, whatever it is, it's awesome. So yeah, and then this is Pocahontas' box. There's just her. Sorry about the glares, it's really hard not to get them. And here's her dress, it's like shorter, and she's got these really cool boots, we'll see when we open her up. And there's her on the package, and it says Pocahontas. And here's on the back, Disney Princess Royal Shimmer. Strong and confident, Pocahontas walks her own path through life. And it's 3 other languages. And it says, includes doll, outfit, pair of shoes, and 2 accessories, which I believe is her necklace and a belt. And then it just shows her artwork. These dolls look a lot like the movies, way more than the Mattel ones did. I like them a lot. So I'll get these out of the package, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I have them out of the box. We're going to start with Pocahontas, because I say so. So this is what her face looks like. I love that they're doing the different facial molds with the Hasbro ones. I know they've been out for a while, I just now got them. And she has this long hair, which is actually hooked in her arm, which I'm going to unhook and let it fall to her back like that. That's how I want her hair to lay right now. She still has a few like things stuck in her head. I just couldn't get them all the way out right now. I'll get them out later. I really like her face. And I left the rubber band that's holding her necklace in place because I don't want to lose it. But just look at her face. Isn't it pretty? I like her. And this is her dress. And she has 2 accessories, which is her necklace and her belt, I believe. Which her belt appears to be attached to her. I don't know if that's considered an accessory then. Maybe it's just stuck. Oh, it's just stuck. It's not really attached. Okay. I'm going to put it back in place and just leave it there because I'm going to take it off. And then this is her dress. It's really pretty. And there's like a little fringy stuff at the bottom. And all the glitter. All the glitter is like my favorite. And all those like, these like leaves on the top of her, on her shirt part. That's pretty. And then I was telling you about her boots. These are her boots. Aren't they cool? Well, that's funny. She has no chance of ever standing on her own, because there isn't heels to her boots. They wanted to make them look like she had flat boots, but since dolls like this have the high-heeled foot, they had to do them like this. That's interesting. She's forever walking on her tiptoes. But I really do like the boots, because they have all this detail on them. Look at it. And her hair, look how long it is. Like, this is her feet, and that's the top of her head. Her hair is so long. And it's like so nice and like stuff. The only little wave it's got is because when she came, it was hooked around her arm or something like that. But I just put it back. I think I'm gonna leave the band holding her necklace because otherwise it might just fall off and get lost. But yeah, she's really pretty. This is the overview of what she looks like. She's nice. Now we're gonna move on to Merida. Which Merida, I have one thing I want to say. Avoid touching her hair. If you can, like brushing it, like touching it, okay, but like don't brush it because you see these curls. That's just a big mess waiting to happen. Is basically what it looks like to me. But they're really pretty. If you brush them out, I don't think it'll ever look the same again. But I'm just gonna not brush them at all, like, ever. And then she has like this is her belt. And then she has this she has glitter on her top too, and she has sleeves though. But I like her sleeves because they're like sleeves, but they're shiny and see-through, so you can like see her arm and stuff. So it's like gives an odd color. And then she has like this gold stuff, which appears to be hearts and these little knotted things inside. And then what's her belt? It just has patterns on it too. And then her dress. My hand is in it, so it's easier to hold her so you can see her dress. Now switch it up. Has all this gold detail on it, and like I think these are, I don't know what these are, but they're like animals. I'm gonna sneeze. I didn't. Guess I do something like that. Okay. But I like how it's like light blue at the top of her skirt, and then dark blue at the bottom. It's like an ombre effect. And then she has shoes. Oh, she's forever on her tiptoes too. because they didn't give her heels. They wanted to give her flats, but they didn't want to make her feet flat and make her so she couldn't shake shoes to everybody else. Her shoes came rubber banded on. I'll probably just leave them on at least for now so I don't lose them because I have a bad track record with doll shoes about not losing them. So this is what she looks like. And her hair is pretty long too. Whose hair is longer? Merida or her? Pocahontas is longer, but I have a feeling if Merida's wasn't curled, they'd be about the same length. They're close at least. So yeah, this is her face. I really like her face, how they did it like round, like the movie, because I believe she's Pixar. If I'm wrong, please tell me. I'm pretty sure she's Pixar. I don't actually have the movie, I just saw it. But I really like her hair. I'm glad they didn't do it quite as much of it as there is like in the real movie, because like that would just be a even bigger mess waiting to happen. But of course her belt can come off because it unhooks in the back. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to lose it or make it not come back on or something. So yeah, this is the review of Merida and Pocahontas. So give us a thumbs up if you like doll reviews, and comment down below if you want more, because I have more of the dolls, because I'm probably going to do the review anyways. And comment down below which one of these two is your favorite. I love them both for different reasons, but facial wise, like the way they look, I really like Pocahontas. I love Merida, but I love both of them, but I love Pocahontas for now. So yeah, so comment down below all that stuff and subscribe. Bye!